Hello, welcome back to yet another lesson of short vowel A sound and its families. Today we are going to cover an family. An family. Let's start. Now, an family has lots and lots of rhyming words, and this time I would like your little one to try some. So, we'll do some words from an family and try and see if the child can do some of the words by his own. Now, let's begin with the first word of an family. Can. K. See, makes a sound of k. K and n becomes can. I can do it. You can do it. You can find more rhyming words. Now let's have another one. Ban. To stop, to legally stop. Ban starts with b. B-a-n. B-a-n becomes ban. Can you think of some? So we started with ban, can. How about ran? Here I'm writing both the cursive R and the regular R. Whichever is comfortable with you, please choose that one. So ran, R-A-N, R-an becomes ran. I left out a very easy one, which is fan. Very good, fan. F-a-n. I left two places. I didn't write it. Well, these are for you to finish. Now think of more rhyming words which make sense. You cannot just add any alphabet. Can I add yan? Doesn't make sense. It should make a sense. So you're going to do 5 and 6 by yourself, and we will move on to the next family of am words today. So we will cover up two families, an family and am family. The first one itself is a word am. It's a helping verb. It tells you that a function is being done now. I am going out. I am. So am. Next one is bam. When your two toy trucks ram into each other, they make a sound. Bam. Yeah, that's right. Bam. B-a-m. B. B makes a sound of B. A and M. Bam. Now I just used another rhyming word when I said a sentence. Yes, you got it. Ram. So we have ram, starts with r, ram. Now you have to think of, and again, two rhyming words which end in am. put your thinking caps on and finish up 4 and 5 for me. And let's cover 2 sight words quickly. Today we are going to do 2 sight words, which are my, and the second one is me. So we have my toys, and the next one is me. This belongs to me. So we are covering 2 sight words now, and by next lesson I think we are ready to go for sentence making. You heard it right. So I hope you like this one and you're ready for the next lesson. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.